welcome or welcome back to the channel. Once if you are new to this channel, my name is Khushi. I'm a second year dental student and I love making videos on vlogs, mini vlogs, productivity, makeup, skincare, haul videos, reviews and all over. Today's video is very special because today I'm gonna recreate आलिया भट्ट स्किन केयर मेकअप रूटीन, जिसको वो प्यार से कपी केक और कप केक समथिंग कुछ ऐसा बोलती हैं. आई डोंट नो द एग्जैक्ट वर्ड. रिक्रिएटिंग माई फेवरेट एक्टर सिंस अ डिकेड मेकअप एंड स्किन केयर रूटीन. ये उनका जो मेकअप एंड स्किन केयर रूटीन है, दिस इज हर वोग्स मेकअप एंड स्किन केयर रूटीन. एंड इन दैट वीडियो उन्होंने काफ़ी सारे मेकअप हैक्स के बारे में बताया है. वो जिस तरीके से स्किन केयर कर रही हैं, क्या क्या स्टेप्स फॉलो कर रही हैं, क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट्स अप्लाई कर रही हैं, एंड शी इज़ मेकिंग हर आईब्रोज, द वे शी इज़ हैंडलिंग द ब्रशेज एंड अप्लाइंग इन द डायरेक्शंस. सो आज हम कंप्लीटली उसको फॉलो करने वाले हैं, रिक्रिएट करने वाले हैं. आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू डू दैट. साइड में नीचे यहाँ पे पहले उनकी वीडियो चलेगी एंड देन वील सी कि वो क्या क्या स्टेप्स फॉलो कर रही हैं. बिसाइड्स दैट हम अपने स्टेप्स को अप्लाई करते जाएंगे. तो हम कुछ भी अपने से नहीं करेंगे, हम पहले उनकी वीडियो देखेंगे एंड देन वील डू अकॉर्डिंगली. तो इफ यू आर न्यू टू द चैनल, बिफोर यू लीव, मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब इट, लाइक इट, कॉमेंट योर फेवरेट पार्ट बिलो एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड.
Hi everyone, this is Alia Bhatt and today I'm going to walk you through my daily beauty / skincare routine and also take you through my go-to glam. I love my makeup to also just look like great skin, so you can call it skinny cup. My first step.
Okay, so she called it skinny cup. Sorry for my that word. What I use that? Cupcakes like that. It was a little bit similar, but yeah, she called it skinny cup. Okay.
First step, cleansing. I'm gonna go with this cleansing balm. It is my current obsession.
She uses a cleansing balm to cleanse up her skin, but मैं क्लेंजिंग बाम्स को यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ पर्सनली. आई डोंट यूज़ देम क्योंकि वंस आई यूज्ड इट, उसने मेरे फेस पे पूरा रैश क्रिएट कर दिया था. आई विल नॉट डिस्क्लोज द ब्रांड, बट मैं फेस वॉश को कभी कभी एज अ क्लेंजिंग बाम यूज करती हूँ. सो आई एम यूजिंग सिंपल्स मॉइस्चराइजिंग फेस वॉश एज अ क्लेंजिंग बाम. ये मेरा पर्सनल हैक है. आई डोंट नो अबाउट other people's what they gonna do. The reason of using this face wash as a cleansing balm कि इसकी जो consistency है, it looks like a cleansing balm. You can see. So I applied it on my face and rub it gently, and then just wipe it off with a wet wipe. ये हैक ना तब बहुत काम आता है जब आप किसी ऐसी जगह पे हो जहाँ पे पानी की बहुत ज़्यादा ही किल्लत हो रही है. सो वी आर डन विद द क्लेंजिंग स्टेप. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द अनदर स्टेप फॉलोड बाय हर.
Usually wake up very sort of puffy in the morning. Icing really helps get away, take away that puffiness, and it has other benefits as well. It prevents acne marks and stuff, keeps your skin really lovely and tight, and genuinely just makes you feel fresh and good. So I literally dunk my face in ice. So here goes. And then I come up and then I go back inside. Okay.
Okay, so next step she follows is dumping her face into the bowl of ice. As she said कि इसके बहुत सारे benefits होते हैं. Of course उसके काफ़ी सारे benefits हैं. The blood immediately rushes to your face, making your skin super tight and you look so natural. There is no wrinkle, nothing sort of puffiness. हम लोग जब सो के उठते हैं तो ऑफकोर्स हम लोग का फेस काफ़ी पफी होता है. मेरा तो बहुत ज़्यादा पफी होता है. अभी तो खैर मुझे उठे हुए काफ़ी टाइम हो गया है, बट स्टिल आई कैन फील द पफीनेस एंड द ब्लैक puffy under eyes of mine right now as well. So let's do it. मेरे पास इससे बड़ा बर्तन नहीं था आलिया, आई एम सो 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 सॉरी। सो आई एम गोना डू दिस। एंड एक इंटरेस्टिंग बात ये है कि मैं ये हैक पर्सनली पहली बार ट्राई कर रही हूँ। सो गाइज, डू नॉट judge me at all. So here I'm going. 1, 2, 3. This is so cold. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. To be very honest, I am right now feeling no sensation on my face except the cooling effect from within. Feeling my skin very tight and natural, so much cooling. And ना आपकी आंखें एकदम से बूम करके ऐसे खुल जाती हैं जब कुछ भी आप सो के उठते हो एंड ठंडा ठंडा आपके फेस पे अप्लाई किया जाए. सो इट्स गिविंग मी दैट काइंड ऑफ वाइब. सी द नेक्स्ट स्टेप फॉलोड बाय हर.
Immediately, like all the blood rushes to my face. I feel like all pink and fresh and like ready to take on the day. The next step is my moisturizer. I love this moisturizer. It's everything my skin needs. I would take like 4 to 5 pumps.
She's using a moisturizer and I'm also using a moisturizer from Aqualogica. She uses a pump moisturizer. I know about her skin type, what kind of a skin she is having, but my skin is little bit sort of combination to oily, so I use the moisturizer which is of gel consistency basically. She said that right कि सुबह उठते ही जो हमारी स्किन को सबसे ज़्यादा चाहिए होता है is the moisturizer. So I sometimes feel कि moisturizer is one of the very nice base. Now next step followed by her. Let's see.
Then after my moisturizer, I would go in with sunscreen. Very important. I like to go in with a smiley face.
So the next step she is going with is the sunscreen, which is definitely the must use product for everyday skincare. Moisturizer, serum, कोई भी mask, if you're not using, it's fine, it's okay. But if you're not using your sunscreen, you are a dumb person, right? उन्होंने smiley बनाया था अपने हाथ पे. Let's try कि मैं smiley बना सकती हूँ इस sunscreen से या फिर नहीं. Let's see. Okay, here my smiley is. Can you see? This is looking so cute. Okay, so the technique used by Alia to apply sunscreen on her face is not that 2-finger step, nothing. She makes this type of smiley. She rubs it on the hand and then she is directly applying to her face in this direction. Like one essay and then essay, then essay, then essay. Okay, I got that. Okay, now let's move on to the next.
Doing my skincare or not, I'm obsessed with it. I'm also wearing an Aura ring if you've noticed.
Lip balm. You guys noticed or not, Alia never applied lip balm directly to the lips. Never. She always takes, if she has a tube material like this, so she take it out lip balm like this. And अगर आपके पास ट्यूब मटेरियल नहीं है कि आप उसको स्क्वीज करें एंड देन मटेरियल बाहर निकले, तो use the finger step to use the lip balm.
My next step would be, I don't use foundation. Even if I'm going out for date night, brunch with my girls, I just don't have the bandwidth and time to just like apply foundation and stuff like that. I go for skin tints, and I like to go for skin tints that have some SPF in it. Also, yeah, I do have this thing where I use my hands. I don't use brushes when I'm applying any of my tints on my face. I just feel like I get a more even finish. I like to mix that with a little bit of an illuminating primer.
Okay, so she said ki she never use a foundation. So as I also never use a foundation. If you are guys following me from the beginning, you have seen कि मैं इस BB क्रीम के अलावा कुछ और यूज करना पसंद नहीं करती हूँ. शी यूजेस स्किन टिंट. मेरे पास करेंटली स्किन टिंट अवेलेबल नहीं है, सो आई एम यूजिंग पॉन्ड्स की बीबी क्रीम इन दिस प्लेस ऑफ फाउंडेशन. वैसे ये पॉन्ड्स की जो बीबी क्रीम है इसमें लिखा हुआ है कि इट कंटेन्स लाइट वेट फाउंडेशन, बट आई डोंट थिंक कि इतना कुछ हैवी होता है उसमें. सो लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई इट दिस मच. शी इज मिक्सिंग इट विथ सम sort of illuminating primer. In place of any illuminating primer, I will go with my Aqualogica's moisturizer. It contains lightweight of foundation and I literally don't like foundation. तो मैं इतनी सी क्वांटिटी लूंगी अपने बीबी क्रीम में मिक्सअप करने के लिए, ताकि हम इसको थोड़ा और लाइट वेट बना सके. Okay, so we are done with the BB cream. Now let's move on to the another step.
This NARS creamy concealer. I have this little assistant guy who's been following me for quite a few months now. I'm being friendly. I'm obsessed with picking my pimples, and that's why, as a punishment, I got this mark. So I would not recommend it at all, my friends. I'm gonna cover a little bit more.
Is right now using NARS का concealer, but I don't have NARS का concealer, so I am using Swiss Beauty's concealer to hide my under eye and acne spots जो हैं मेरे थोड़े बहुत. Alia says कि she is in a habit of pricking her acne. Alia, we are same. I'm also in a habit of pricking my acne, और अब इतने सारे acne marks as a gift मुझे मिल चुके हैं ना कि अब वो कंसीलर से भी हटाने पे नहीं हटते हैं, एंड ये सबसे दुख भरी बात है. पीपल यूजुअली यूज वेट ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर जो कि पानी में वेट किया हुआ होता है, बट माई हैक इज कि मैं ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर को मेकअप फिक्सिंग स्प्रे से वेट करती हूँ, ताकि मुझे मेकअप को फिक्स करने के लिए बाद में मेकअप फिक्सिंग स्प्रे यूज ना करना पड़े. आलिया अपने आगे की वीडियो में बता रही है अपनी मदर के बारे में कि शी यूज टू अप्लाई बोल्ड काजल अंडर हर आईज सो दैट हर मदर्स आईज लुक बिग. मेरे साथ क्या होता है कि मैं काजल, पहली बात तो मुझे सूट नहीं करता काजल, सेकेंडली ब्लैक काजल मेरी आंखों को छोटा बना देता है. सो आई जनरली डोंट यूज ब्लैक काजल. Instead I use white kajal or brown or the nude kajal so that my eyes look bigger.
With powder, so I go for like a lovely translucent powder. This is the Hourglass powder.
Okay, next up she is using a powder. She is using a translucent powder. Sorry for fumbling, but I am using a compact powder because मेरी skin पे loose powder makes my makeup so much cakey. But I am using this compact powder from L18 जो कि मुझे काफी सूट करता है. I don't know about others. She went like this, and then इधर वाली eyes पे she went like this, अंदर की तरफ, like in the same direction, and she applied a powder in those areas where she had applied concealer, not everywhere. We are done with the powder. Now let's see the another step.
It's Rosy Drops. This is just one layer, by the way. I do apply blush as well, but I like to build this into the skin.
Okay, so she is using liquidy drops, but instead of that I have Swiss Beauty ka lip and cheek tint. So I'm gonna use this lip and cheek tint. She is not using any tool to blend it. Instead she is using her fingers to blend it. Let's do that. सेट कि मुझे ब्लश लगाना पसंद है, ब्लश हम बाद में अप्लाई करेंगे, बट अभी शी वांट्स कि जो वो अप्लाई कर रही हैं वो उनकी स्किन में अच्छे से बिल्ड हो जाए. सो कैन यू सी दैट? Next step is
my go-to color palette is always pinks and like light browns. I love this palette. Okay, it's the Too Faced palette. I've had it for
eyes. She is going with the cream color base, so I have Insight Cosmetics ka cream color. I'm gonna use this on my eyes. अपनी फिंगर से ब्लेंड कर लिया था, बट आई यूज माई ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर टू जस्ट blend it. And as she said ki her go-to eye palette is always in the shades of pinks, browns, like in the nude. And my favorite palette is always been a nude eye palette. So Alia, we are totally same, bro. We are just same. Is this one. This palette of mine is also a old one. इसकी हालत बड़ी खराब हो चुकी है. Is mixing this one with this one. So I'm using this and this both on my eyes today. And one more thing she said कि she literally likes to apply the eyeshadow under her eyes as well. And वो थोड़ा सा brownish shade में होता है. Since I don't have any brown shades in my palette, so I'm gonna go with this nude color known as Secret. So मैं
and he on day 0 told me, do not touch your brows. So I said, okay, I'm not going to touch it, promise. And 10 years later, we just did a film together again. And for that film, he changed my brows. He said, okay, now I am going to shape them a little bit more, because from playing a girl, I was playing a woman. You know, this character needed me to be a little bit more mature. So he said, now we'll shape it. And literally, I did not touch my brows for those 10 years.
Usually we do our brows before we do our eye makeup, but she is doing her brows after doing her eye makeup. And she is using Benefit brow pencil and I am using Mars की brow pencil. So let's shape our brows today. जैसे कि आलिया ने बोला कि she never did her brows as her makeup artist said कि आपको brows नहीं करनी है because eyebrows की shape खराब हो जाएगी. And 10 years later the same makeup artist said कि now I'm gonna do your eyebrows because you are playing a role from a girl to a woman. This is the reality. 10 साल बाद obviously she's not a girl, she's a mature woman and she's also playing a role of a mature woman. So this is fine. But next step देखते हैं. Okay, she said I don't use anything, but I don't have eyelash curler, so I'm gonna go with the mascara. आपको mascara अच्छा लगता है, so why not to do it? So let's do it. Okay, so I'm done with the mascara as well. Next step देखते हैं कि आगे क्या है.
Again with my concealer.
She is again using a concealer, but I am not using a concealer once again because मैं concealer बार बार use करना पसंद नहीं करती हूँ. She is going for a good bronzer, so let's do a bronzer.
Contour is more about have fun in the end, you know. Like it's not about like I don't think it's as specific and technical for me.
Using a bronzer palette from Hourglass, and I am using a palette from a Swiss Beauty. This is 3-in-1 palette, Chick Boo from Swiss Beauty. As she said कि bronzer की इतनी ज़्यादा कोई need लगती नहीं है because she don't feel to specify and structure up your face every time, and that's the reality. It's not needed कि आप हर वक्त अपने face को एक structure provide करो. So you need not to specify or you don't need a sculpted face all the time, right? Because as Alia said कि ब्रोंजर लगाते लगाते ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी जो चिन है, जो जॉ है या चिन है, वो निकल के बाहर को आ जाएगा. She said this. So as I feel, she did not contour her brows or contour her nose, but मैं थोड़ा सा करने की कोशिश करती हूँ. Okay, so my nose is looking very sculpted today and it's looking quite good. I've never contoured or bronzed up my nose, but this is the first time I did and this is looking good. I like.
I'd go back with my powder. So, this happens to me a lot now. I can't find my brush here. Where I just like drop my brush down, and because a lot of the times I'm just so distracted because I'm like singing and literally like, and I listen to nice music, Punjabi rap, Punjabi like hit songs, enjoy myself. So it like tends to get a little chaotic. Some of the songs, Punjabi songs that you definitely must listen to if I had to recommend. Number one would be Man Meri Jaan, which is by this lovely artist called King. He also did a collaboration with me.
Okay, again she is going with a powder to just settle down if ज़्यादा bronzer हो गया हो face पे, and she said कि she loves to listen Punjabi songs while she is doing her makeup. She is so much like me क्योंकि मेरे से भी ना बिना म्यूजिक वगैरह सुने बिना मेकअप होता नहीं है, because you need something, you need some vibe, just check vibe to do something or the other if you're doing a makeup or something. So yeah, it's necessary, like bro, it's literally necessary. He listed some of the favorite Punjabi songs जिसमें से दो मेरे भी favorite थे. One was the King का जो था, right, rap, and then Check शुभ का जो गाना था उसका rap बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And talking about दिलजीत दोसांझ, वो इस वक्त में globally famous हो चुके हैं, तो उनको कौन नहीं पसंद करता. Next step देखते हैं.
Now contouring is done, powder is done. Blush, my favorite part. Hourglass palette once again. When I went for the Met Gala as well, I think one of my major instruction make me look like a ball of blush.
Okay, वो दोबारा से blush के लिए गए हैं. Once she used that liquid blush and now she is using a powder blush again from the same brand, Hourglass, and I am also using a blush again from the same brand, Swiss Beauty. So ये है मेरा blushy brush. Oh God, इसका pigment बहुत है, बहुत ज़्यादा pigment है इसका, but I love looking like a blushy cheeky boo. So yeah, I'm going in with the blush. बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया क्या? Okay, next step.
Lipstick. I'm gonna use this one, Palette Tilbury Pillow Talk. I wore this to my wedding. That's how obsessed I am with this lip color. The way I apply my lipstick is not considered the way people apply their lipstick. Okay, it's a bit weird. The reason I do this, I'll tell you why, is because a lot of times I have to either touch up my lipstick. I don't know. I think something about moving the lipstick across my mouth is just way more tedious as opposed to moving my mouth across the lipstick. Something.
So next step is applying lipstick. She uses her favorite lipstick and I am using my favorite lipstick from the brand Swiss Beauty. I am obsessed with Swiss Beauty and Inside Cosmetics right now. And the way she applied lipstick is applying lips to the lipstick, not lipstick to the lips. I don't know why. And let's see if I can do that. I don't think I do that. Let's do it. She is moving her lips to the lipstick. Okay. मुझे ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि मैंने अपने लिप्स के बाहर अपनी लिपस्टिक लगा ली है, क्योंकि आलिया ने भी लगा ली थी एंड देन शी वाइप्ड इट ऑफ, शी क्लीन्ड अप द स्पेस. सो लेट मी डू दैट आल्सो. हाँ भाई, जोकर जैसी लग रही हूँ. Stop little bit. Okay. I can see the difference today in my applying lipstick manner is कि जब आप lipstick को apply करके wipe off करते हो तो it gives a natural stain to your lips rather than looking कि आपने सच में कोई lipstick heavy color की लगा रखी है अपने lips पे. Not like that. And I think this is looking pretty good. Next step देखते हैं.
natural color of my lip. Okay, so this is it. This is my final look. The skin-like makeup lit from within glow look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and yeah, take care.
Okay, so this was all about Alia's makeup and skincare routine. जिसको उन्होंने स्किनी कप का नाम दिया था. I tried my best to look at her. What is she doing? How is she doing? And then I did it on myself. I tried my best to do that, and I literally enjoyed the process as well. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you enjoyed it, let me know in the comment section कि और next किस celebrity का makeup look और skincare look मैं recreate करूँ. Also comment down your favorite part as well. And I think I tried my best to do that. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and Alia, if you are looking, thank you so much for watching me as well. So subscribe to the channel and toodles.